In the 1950s, Windsor Castle hit a quiet project where royal curators secretly funded a tapestry restoration to safeguard centuries of history. The initiative brought together conservators, historians, and craftsmen who worked under confidentiality to reveal threads of the past without public fanfare. As the looms hummed, the palace shed its glare of celebrity and embraced meticulous care that would influence future preservation across Britain. This chapter shows how a private endeavor protected national memory for generations to come. The tale honors the unseen hands that keep royal heritage intact.